step towards achieving true administrative and financial autonomy. As I have consistently emphasized, justice cannot be carried forward on borrowed infrastructure or delegated authority. It must stand on its two institutional legs. This Secretariat shall empower the judiciary to adopt a holistic approach at framing its own policies. Number 3, restoration and full operationalization of the Supreme Judicial Council. With the disposal of the 16th Amendment review case, the Council has been fully restored. This body is now actively, even as we speak, fulfilling its constitutional mandate to ensure judicial accountability and discipline, a vital component of our independence. Number 4, development of depoliticized posting and transfer guidelines. We are working to ensure that the careers of our judges are guided by merit and fairness and not by external pressures. These guidelines are crucial for safeguarding the impartiality of the district judiciary. 5, enhancing procedural efficiency and accessibility. While seemingly administrative initiatives such as streamlining family court processes, embracing digitalization, and establishing a judiciary helpline are vital and have indeed caught the imagination of an entire nation and generation of movers and shakers, both within the judiciary and beyond it. An efficient judiciary builds public confidence and ensures that justice is not only fair but also timely and accessible to all, particularly the most vulnerable. And number 6, strategic engagement with partners. We are actively collaborating with international development partners like the UNDP, the European Union, the United Kingdom, Sweden, and others. Their technical expertise and support are invaluable as we align our reforms with global best practices. These are not mere declarations of intent. These are concrete steps towards building a judiciary that is truly insulated from political interference and grounded in the service to the people. Yet, the path to full judicial independence is not without its formidable challenges. We must therefore be candid about the blockers that impede our progress, of which 2 stand out prominently. Number 1, resistance from entrenched interests. Decades of intertwined political and judicial interests have created a deeply ingrained culture. There will inevitably be resistance from those who benefit from the status quo, and bureaucratic inertia can slow down even the most well-intentioned reforms. And number two, the need for sustained political will across all branches of government. While the interim government has shown some interest, the long-term success of the reform endeavor that we embarked on in September 2024 does hinge on sustained political will from all branches of government. This requires not only a shared vision for a truly independent system, but a national consensus to be forged, especially at this transitional stage in this nation's history. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, paying my homage to SIA, I reiterate my plea to the interim government, as I did a month ago on 22nd June, and indeed to the nation, to secure a meaningful and sustainable independent existence of the judiciary in these times most momentous, failing which we as a nation run the real risk of squandering a historic opportunity at ensuring the systemic entrenchment of the rule of law and democratic governance, as well as by our apathy to change, endangering the sustainability of all other sectoral reforms proposed to be undertaken by the interim government in the near to the distant future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. We're deeply grateful to the Honorable Chief Justice of Bangladesh for articulating so eloquently the interpretation of Article 109, 116, 116A, read with 48.3 and 55.2 of the Constitution. We're also grateful to the Honorable Chief Justice for his relentless efforts to implement the vision of his late lamented father and to implement the vision of an independent judiciary. The Honorable Chief Justice has articulated the barriers standing in the way of such implementation, and of course the fact that in the long run this hinges upon sustained political commitment. Without, I believe this is a moment to be captured in camera. If I may invite the distinguished panelists to take their seats in the stage. If I may invite the learned Attorney General of Bangladesh and Chairman of Bangladesh Bar Council, Mr. Mohammad Asaduzzahman. Learned Senior Advocate and Vice Chairman of Bangladesh Bar Council, Mr. Zainul Abidin. Senior Advocate and President of the Bangladesh Supreme Court Bar Association, Mr. A.M. Mahbubuddin Khokon. Senior Advocate, Mr. Praveen Yogi. Senior Advocate, Ms. Nihat Kabir. And Senior Advocate, Mr. Mustafizur Rahman Khan. A big round of applause for the distinguished panelists, please.